Hello everyone, today we will study how to make a new project in Vuforia, and this project will be about how to replace origin with a virtual tree. So let's start. Open Unity 3D and go for a new project. You will get options related to the project. Here we will choose the 3D project and will also assign a name to a project. And then by clicking OK, you will have to wait for a while so that Unity 3D completes its processing. Now the project is completely open and you will find a virtual 3D environment in front of you, but you won't find Vuforia. So now to add Vuforia, we will move to the website and will download the Vuforia engine for Unity 3D. First of all, we will create an account by entering our details, and then we will move to the download section. Here we will use add Vuforia engine to a Unity project or an upgrade to the latest version. So once the download is complete, you will move to the download section and will run the downloaded file. So by this, the Vuforia will be automatically added to your Unity 3D project. Now after adding, we will add AR camera, ground plane, the plane finder, and the ground plane stage. Now we will move to the package manager and will add virtual objects to our project. Now for virtual objects, we will move to the assetstores.unity.com and I have added a free package to my Unity ID. So once the import is completed, we will come back to our project and now you will find RPG Polyback Lite is added to my assets bank. Now here I will use the import option to import a virtual object to my current project. Now I will come to the folder section and will open the rpgg_lt files folder. And then I will open the prefabs and will look for a folder where I can find a trees. And I will add this tree to the ground plane stage. Now after adding this, a virtual tree is added to my project and this tree is added to the virtual origin of the project. Now using the navigation option, I can look for side view, top view, bottom view, and I will find a tree at the center of a virtual environment. This was all about today, and stay connected for more interesting videos.